Hi, welcome to my Dilchi Academy. Today we are going to learn 50 basic English sentences. She is studying for an examination. The dog is barking. She is helping her mother. The boys are playing cricket. It is raining heavily. Mother is cooking a tasty meal. We are listening to the teacher. They are playing. The sun is sinking in the west. The teacher walked into the classroom. I go to school with my father. There is a cat on the table. My foot is wet. She made a beautiful birthday card. These books are not mine. He is young and strong. I usually have rice for breakfast. Dark clouds filled the sky. They are wealthy people. He is wearing a blue shirt. My sister is a clever girl. He can climb trees. We can hear you. They can win the match. She can go on the trip. I can swim well. The dog is angry. Take a bottle of water. The teacher gives instructions to the students. She spoke angrily. They arrived on time. We invited them to dinner. He asked many questions. You waited for me. John is a clever boy. Mary is a good netball player. We are in the same class. They are tired. I am going with her to the market. We are going for a walk. It is very costly. This is a new book. He is riding his bicycle. That bicycle is his. This is the bag of my friend. That is the car of my uncle. She never comes late to school. We have football practice on Wednesday. They go to school by car. I borrow money from my friends. Thanks for listening. Goodbye.